All right, Dr. Kemp here, the Hammond Doc. Just finishing up on this amplifier, refreshing it. I replaced the electrolytics on this amp, 122. Removed 30, 30, 30, 10, 475 10 cap. Had one bad cap in it. Replaced it with this 30, 30, 30, 10, 5, 25 multi-can cap. Replaced the cathode bypass capacitor, and I also installed a new 6-pin Amphenol input connector right here. And you can go back and look at one of the most recent videos, and you'll see the work where I talked about, see the video where I talked about the work that I did there. Okay. The only other thing I want to do now is take a close look at this this relay. It's a little burnt there, so I'll take a look at that. And other than that, this amp is ready. I'll try it out and see what it sounds like. Okay, till the next video, Dr. Kemp here, the Hammond Doc. Peace out.